Welcome back everybody, thanks for joining me. Just a quick video today. I'm on the way into Cardiff. I'm going to go and do a little bit of shopping. I want to get some new boots, new jeans. I've seen a pair of boots online, Roadsters 2 I think they're called, and I believe one of the shops in town does stock them, so I'm going to go down, have a quick look at them, see how they fit and if they're any good, and I might purchase them. Purchase. I do love this weather, and it's supposed to get hotter over this weekend as well. And I've got the weekend off work, so I'm going to make the most of it. And this video is actually going to double as two, because I've actually got with me the XL Moto H2O dry bag. So I thought I'd take it with me and see how much I can fit in it. So if I do buy a pair of boots and jeans, hopefully they'll be able to fit in the bag with my camera equipment. So I'm going to test that out. If they don't, that might be a bit of a problem. I've just come off the motorway, and you know, the amount of people that were driving way too close to me is unbelievable. And I don't just notice it on the bike, I see it when I'm driving the car as well. And it's just, it just amazes me how people do not think about, if something was to happen, there's nothing that they can do to avoid an accident, especially at the speeds they're travelling. I mean, a motorway, the speed limit is 70. So how many people actually stick to that limit? If you're on a motorway, think, oh, okay, it's a motorway, I can do at least 80. But if you're travelling that close to somebody and they slam on their brakes, your reaction time is not fast enough to avoid what's in front of you. It just baffles me. Like, why don't people just stop and think? But anyway, my little rant over. I am here. I've arrived at my destination. Okay. So here I am. This is M&P. Oh, just M&P, not M&P Motorcycles. I've been here once or twice before. They've got some pretty good deals on in here most of the time, so I'm going to go and check out some of their jeans and boots and see what they've got. Catch you in a minute. Welcome back, everybody. Well, I've bought a new pair of boots. They were the Roadster 2s, and I will show you them properly when I get home. There seems to be plenty of room in the bag. I've got my camera stuff in there. A pair of boots, which fits in there quite nicely. And there'll be a bit more room there to put some clothes and other bits and pieces in if you needed to. So quite pleased with that, actually. Rolls down nicely. And there we are. Excellent. And that was from M&P in Cardiff. Nice bunch in there. I bought this jacket from there actually a while back. Not a bad price. I am starving. Oh, I can't do this up now. I'm the world's worst faffer. It takes me ages to do anything. Really need to sort that out, actually. Right. And I'm not even ready yet. Again, I've forgotten something. Right, let's stop. Yep, forgot to do this up. Unbelievable. I'll tell you what, trying to do anything with me, I haven't done my pockets up, nothing. Have I? Oh yeah, I have. Yeah, I did do my pockets up. Well, I surprised myself. It takes me ages to do anything. Sorry about that. Right. So yeah, successful shop done. I'm bloody starving now though. Need something nice to eat. And a drink. It's so warm, but it's lovely. But yeah, successful shop done. So I got a new pair of boots, which hopefully would be good for on and off the bike. A bit more comfortable walking around in than Frank Thomas boots that I've got on. I might run out of battery in a minute. The GoPro batteries haven't seemed to charge properly, so I'm only running on half a battery. So if I do lose it, then do apologise. I'll see you when I get in and I'll show you the boots properly. So this XL Moto H2O dry bag seems pretty good. It's comfortable while I'm riding. I've got a pair of boots in there. They're not sticking into my back or anything. I can hardly feel I've got anything on my shoulders, to be honest. And although you probably couldn't fit too much stuff in it that's bulky, but you could get plenty of other things in there. I've got my camera equipment in there. I've got a pair of boots. I've got my sat-nav. And there's still some space left that you could put some soft things in. So like any more, if you had any spare clothes, that sort of thing, that could easily fit in there. Well, I think, yeah, as far as I'm concerned, what I'm going to be using it for is when I go out on weekends away with camping gear. I'm going to use it for that, and possibly some clothes. So I think for that kind of thing, it's going to be ideal. That looks like... What car is that? Let's try and catch up to that. It's American, but what is it? It's not a Mustang, I don't think. It's nice. Is it a Pontiac? I'm not sure. Can anybody tell me what car that is? Answers in the comments, please. If you're still there, everybody, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. With regards to kit, why don't you tell me what kit you wear? What sort of boots do you wear on your bike? Do you have different types of boots for different times of year? Do you just wear the same boots all year round? Oh, it is nice. To be fair, he did just go straight over the roundabout and not around the roundabout. If he'd have gone round the roundabout, there would have been less chance of him running into that lady that went around the roundabout. But anyway, still a nice car. It's just a shame I don't know what it is. Oh. Back you now. I was almost a goner. Hey everyone, I've just got back. Thanks for sticking around to watch the end of the video. Just got home, just got the boots on. I'll just show you. There they are. They look pretty good. They feel good actually. They're nice and comfy. And they're lace-up ones. They got padding on the ankle. They got the padding for the gear change. Got padding on both sides of the ankle. They're really nice actually. The laces are nice and long, so I had to do a double knot on them. But they go well with the jeans. So what do you think? So here are the boots, close up and personal. They're RST Roadster 2 boots in brown, and they've got a really good chunky sole on them, so that they're non-slip. You're not going to slip over on the road, so provide you with really good grip. You've also got the protection now over your toes for when you're changing gear. That's on both boots for symmetry. Yeah, really good long thick laces. They're also really comfortable inside. Nice padding around the back, and you've also got the protection on the ankles on both sides. So yeah, overall, I think my first impression of this boot, I really like it. It's going to be comfortable to wear, good for on the bike and off the bike. So you're not going to look out of place when you're walking around, you got your jeans on, you've got a normal looking pair of boots, like everyday boots. So I'm really pleased with them. So next time I get on the bike, I'll let you know how it goes with them for a few hours. Hopefully, shouldn't give me too much problems. So yeah, pleased with that purchase. So looking forward to getting to wear these and wearing them in a little bit. And they're nice and easy to get on and off as well. They're not like, you know, your normal motorcycle boots where they come up to your knee, like below your knee, and you've got, sometimes they're really tough to get off. I've got a pair of Frank Thomas boots, and they're good boots. They're good protection for your leg and your feet. So, it's just that sometimes they can be quite tricky to get off, especially if you've been in them for a few hours. But because these are like normal boots, then they shouldn't be as bad. So far, it's a thumbs up for me for the RST Roadster 2 boots. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give me a like and consider subscribing if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe everyone, take care, see you soon, ta-da.